Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to open RAR files on iPhone or extract RAR files on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open the files in the RAR form that we want to extract. So sometimes it will be saved in this file sections, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the file that you want to extract it. So let's say we want to extract this RAR files. So it could be files with the .zip form. It is in a RAR files that we already got, and to extract the files inside of this RAR is just by clicking it. And now you will get the folder that containing the files that is in this RAR files before, and I just need to go open the folder to access the files inside of the RAR that we already extracted. So that is the way how to open RAR files or extract the RAR files on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.